Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Skoda Kodiaq SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 38 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 24,000 miles and comes with full service history from Skoda. This particular colour is the Moon White and looks in great condition for the age of mileage of the car. As we have inside, we have got the nice clean interior, this being the beige leather. The front seats are also heated, and as you can see, these are in a really nice condition. There's an armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention: the car also has automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, as well as climate control. And then on the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirror controls, your 4 window switches, and the one just over here is for the electric tailgate. The Kodiaq's a popular car for families, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the back, so ideal for getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench also has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have their own charging port and air vents there in the centre. This is the 7-seat version of the Kodiaq. So opening the tailgate, which like I mentioned is electric, reveals the 3rd row of seats. One is folded down at the moment just to show you the overall space. As you can see, it's really spacious with the rear seats folded down, but then you do have this 7-seat option if you wish. Underneath the boot floor, you've also then got storage for your parcel shelf when it's not in use. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 19-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.